Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a short gel polish design set to show you, and I'm just going to be doing this on some full cover nail tips. I'm going to be using this beautiful colour from Modelones, which is called 60 degrees, and this is part of their temperature collection, but you can buy it separately. I'm just going to go in on 4 of the nails and do one coat of this yellow gel polish to start with. And then on the ring finger, I'm doing a full glitter nail. So I'm just going to pop a layer of base coat onto that nail. I do have a discount code for Modelones, which is Amanda10, but as usual, I will pop it in the description box below, along with all the products I've used today. So that's the first coat applied, and then like I said, I'm just coming in with base coat as a base for my full glitter nail. I prefer to use a layer of base coat underneath the glitter just so that there's something for the glitter to stick to, where base coat does have that more tacky inhibition layer. If you was doing this set on natural nails, you would need to do a layer of base coat on all of the nails first of all anyway. And now I'm just going to come in on the 4 yellow nails and do the second coat. I do find with all the Modelones colours that I have tried, 2 coats is all that is needed for a really nice even coverage. The colours are quite pigmented, so I've always just found that 2 coats is absolutely perfect. Once I've finished applying that, I will also pop those into cure for 30 seconds. Whilst that yellow gel polish is curing, I'm going to start working on my full glitter nail. So I'm using the Modelones base coat to mix my glitter with, and I prefer using base coat as it has that tacky inhibition layer. So basically, once the glitter's all mixed into it and it's cured, it does still have a slight tack to it, so the top coat sticks to it nice, and then I just find that I don't get any chipping or peeling whenever I do it this way. And I'm just mixing that together until I'm happy with the consistency. This particular glitter is Magic Candy Dust from Charlie's Nail Art, and I do also have a discount code for them, which is also in the description box below. I'm just making sure that that's properly mixed together, and then I'm just coming in with a gel brush and I'm going to paint it on to the entire nail. I'm just doing nice light strokes as I don't want to drag the glitter off. And I only did 1 coat of this glitter because I quite liked the glassy iridescent effect that it gave off. So yeah, I just did the 1 coat of this, and I just dabbed in some of the larger chunkier dots where I wanted them. And then once I've finished doing that, I will cure that for 60 seconds rather than 30 seconds because of the glitter being in it, just to make sure that all the light penetrates through and that the nail is properly cured. I love this glitter, it's so pretty. Okay, so now onto the middle finger. Oh no, sorry. Onto this now, I decided to do a bit of a glitter fade. So I'm just applying that same glitter at the cuticle area, pretty much just dabbing it on and then fading it down. Just again, nice light feathery touches because you don't want to drag too much of the glitter down the nail. And then again, I'll cure that for 60 seconds because of the fact that there's the glitter in amongst the gel. And then moving on to the middle now, I'm going to be using some water decals. So these particular decals are from Nail Art UK, and I just left the next bit in as a bit of an example. So with the flower, as you can see, I've cut very close to the image. However, with the butterfly, I haven't. You could still see basically the backing paper quite a bit. So here, as you see, when I slide it off the backing paper, there's none of that excess clear paper. I've just got that image, and this basically makes it sit so much nicer on the nail because you haven't got that clear paper, which can sometimes stand out. So here you'll see when I place down the butterfly, you'll see the excess clear paper. Can you see all that around the edge of the butterfly? Now it's hard to pick it up on camera, but that does actually stand out quite a lot on the nail. So whenever you're using water decals, just make sure to cut as close to the image as possible, and then it just gives it that nice flawless finish, which, considering it's nice easy nail art, it's just a nice little added touch if it doesn't stand out that it's a water decal as such. And I'm then going to come in and top coat all of the nails with the Modelones top coat. I did top coat the glitter nails twice, but I didn't leave that in the video, and I just top coated them twice just because I don't like how glitter can feel a little bit bumpy when it's in gel polish. So I just put an extra layer of top coat on so it feels slightly smoother. And then I cured this all in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I didn't do it on camera, but off camera I just added a few gems and caviar beads to the thumbnail just to give it a little something extra. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It was just a short, sweet design. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did. Bye bye.